Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, April 4th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why it's important to invest in yourself and the no days off formula that I use. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, everybody wants to build a business that works for you, right? And what you have to do is you have to show up every day in order to get there. You can't just start a business and work on it whenever you feel like it, right? I mean, this is the one big thing that people get wrong, especially in the work from home space, is that they think they're going to join a program or an opportunity and just work on it whenever they want to and turn it into an empire. And that's just not how it works. You know, you have got to show up every single day. And so I have a formula, and I took some notes here so I can share this in more depth of what I do. But the first thing you want to do is you have to invest in yourself. All right, before you can grow a business and build an empire, you have to invest in yourself. All right, you have to, your skills and your knowledge in this industry are your number one asset. Okay, because people join people. They don't join programs and opportunities. They join people. It's a proven fact that people join people, and they're going to join people who they resonate with the most, right? So you want to invest in yourself so that you become the go-to person in whatever industry or niche that you're a part of, right? So, like, for example, for me, I'm in Quicksilver, and I make videos about silver, and obviously I'm not a silver expert or anything like that, but when it comes to the work from home space and work from home opportunities that involve silver, I want people, when they're searching for that, for me to pop up so that they go and see my content. So I invest in myself and I learn as much as I can about silver and precious metals and that whole industry, right? And it's an ongoing process. I'm always learning something new. So I invest in myself. I buy, I subscribe to Coin World magazine. I have other subscriptions that are precious metal based, and I'm learning stuff from that all the time so that I can make videos and content about precious metals and silver. But I also invest in a lot of books. Books by people who have, biographies, autobiographies, business books, personal development books, things that will help me build my empire. So you have to spend some money to make some money. And the number one thing you should be doing is investing in yourself, right? Because, like I said, the number one asset you can have is the knowledge and skills that make you the number one go-to person in whatever it is that you're doing. Okay? So invest in yourself. You don't want to take any days off, right? So you want to show up every single day, no matter how small the thing is that you do. Like, sometimes recently I've been working on some business ventures that have nothing to do with working from home, or has nothing to do with the online marketing. Okay, so my time has been, I've been pulled in another direction here, but I'm still showing up every day and creating content. Now, it might not always be a video, but I'm posting on Facebook. I'm posting on my in my YouTube community. I'm showing up every single day creating content. I'm creating reels. When I have time, I'm making videos like I am today. And I'm showing up every day, and I'm continuing to mail out all of my direct mail flyers. So even when it doesn't look like I'm making videos every day or I'm going live every day like I have done in the past, I'm still showing up every day, and I'm still putting in the work to build my empire, right? I'm staying consistent in that department. I'm creating content. I'm sending out flyers. I'm getting people to visit get eyeballs onto my my business opportunities. right? I'm showing up every day. I'm staying consistent. And that's the main thing. That's what you have to do if you're going to build an empire, is not only invest in yourself, but you got to show up every day so that people can see that you're not just talking the talk, but you're walking the walk. And that's what attracts people, attraction marketing, right? I'm not going to go and join somebody who shows up once a month and does a video about how they should join them and their business opportunity is the best opportunity in the world. You know, I want to join somebody who I can see is taking action every day and showing up and staying consistent no matter what. Right? So consistency is a huge part of the no days off formula. You cannot take days off, all right? Unless you're absolutely bedridden, you don't feel good, you're sick, and you can't do anything else. You have to show up every single day. And I always talk about how Kobe Bryant was he was known for, even going on family vacations, he would find a place that he could go and work out every single day. He never missed a workout unless he was laid up because he couldn't move. Now I just got my storage low, so I gotta make this video quick. You always want to be learning, okay, and improving everything you can about whatever niche that you're in. You want to learn everything you can about that. You want to learn everything about marketing. You want to learn everything about email marketing, direct mail marketing, however you plan to market your business opportunities. You want to learn everything you can about it. You want to show up every day, and you want to take action. Okay, you want to take action. You want to implement everything that you learn as soon as you learn it. Okay? And some common mistakes here that I wrote down to avoid: waiting for perfect timing. There's no such thing as perfect timing. All right? Today is like they say, 20 years ago is the best time to plant a tree. The next best time to plant one is right now, today. All right? So don't wait for perfect timing, because there's no such thing when it comes to building an empire as perfect timing. Start now, all right? Learn along the way. Like Richard Branson said, if somebody presents you an opportunity and you know nothing about it, but you know deep in your inside that it's a good opportunity with a lot of potential, you say yes to the opportunity and you learn as you go, okay? Stop relying on luck instead of consistent effort, okay? Everybody who becomes lucky are the ones who work towards their goals, right? Like they say, the more work, the harder I work, the more lucky I get. It's true, right? You can't just sit and wait and think that, luck is going to strike you. You have to go and put in the work. And stop expecting overnight results, all right? True growth takes discipline, and it takes time. You're not going to build an empire overnight, all right? It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of consistency, showing up. But the payoff is awesome, because the payoff is you have time freedom. All right, it's Saturday right now. I'm over at the soap shop. I'm going to pack up a few orders, and then I'm going to go home. I'm going to work on putting together more flyers to mail out. And then tonight I'm watching the Final Four basketball games. I'm excited about it. I love UConn. I love Coach Hurley. I know he's controversial, but I love his passion. And I'm just, I'm excited to watch the games tonight. But basically, I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, for as long as I want, and not worry about cash flow, because I'm building my empire every single day, right? And I can't guarantee that if you join me in anything that you'll be able to do that, because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But if you show up every day, take action, stay consistent, you can get here too, right? I'm no different than anybody else. I just show up every day and put in the work. So every effort compounds into real business success. All right, everything you do today and tomorrow will compound into success if you stay with it long enough. Most people fail because they're looking for that overnight success. So don't do that. But that's what this video is all about. Start your no days off journey today. Commit to yourself, invest in yourself, take action every day, stay consistent, and know that in the end it's worth doing. All right? So if you want to look at what I'm doing, one of the programs that I use to keep me on track and everything, go down, click the link in the video description or the link in the comment section, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But that's it for yourself. Invest in yourself and follow the no days off formula, and you'll see success if you stick with it. All right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.